Everybody tells you that our ancestors shape-shifted, that is turning into an animal, but nobody tells you how they really did it. I'm here to spill the secret on how our ancestors shape-shifted. Why is nobody talking about the 3 hidden ways our ancestors shape-shifted? The last one will blow your mind. Have you ever wondered what it means when elders say, not all that walks on 4 legs is an animal? In the secret corners of Igbo spirituality, there existed powers so profound that they blurred the lines between man and beast, spirit and matter, dream and reality. This was the world of Ihi Anu, the sacred art of human being transforming into animals. To outsiders, it may sound like a folklore, but to our ancestors, it was more than a story. It was a spiritual technology, a gift, a burden, and above all, a connection to forces far above human form. Here are the 3 powerful ways people shape-shifted in ancient Igbo society. Mysteries that carried wisdom, danger, and deep spiritual meaning. Initiation and spiritual possession. For some, therianthropy, becoming animals, became with initiation. A child born with strong ancestral ties would be marked by the spirit in early life. The family would then present this child to Ihi Anu, the spiritual force of shape-shifting. From that moment, the person carried a spiritual seal. By night, their spirit leaves their body, traveling in the form of animals in the forest, rivers, and even other realms. These journeys were not for play. They were to gather wisdom, protect the land, and sometimes to fight unseen battles. To be chosen this way was both a privilege and a very heavy responsibility. Imagine returning from sleep, carrying vision of places your human eyes had never seen, because your spirit had walked them in the body of a hawk, a leopard, or a python. Secondly, through ritual substances and incantations. Not everyone was born with the gift, but in Igbo cosmology, nothing was ever truly closed. Through Dibia, some people learned how to transform consciously. This part was not simple. It demanded sacred substances, roots, leaves, or mixtures prepared under strict conditions, combined with powerful incantations. The ritual was dangerous because the line between returning as a man or being trapped as a beast was razor thin. With mastery, however, one could shift at will, eyes wide open, mind fully aware. These were the shapeshifters who could walk by day as a man and by night as panther, protector, and avenger. Thirdly, through reincarnation or spiritual inheritance. Perhaps the most mysterious part was through reincarnation. Igbo people believed that gifts could be carried from one life into another. If an ancestor was a shapeshifter, their descendant might be born already carrying the same gift. No teaching, no ritual, just a natural, unexplainable connection. From childhood, such a person might show strange signs, strange dreams, instincts of animals, or unexplained knowledge of the forest. When these ones transformed, it was said they always took the same animal form as the ancestor who passed the gift. It was a spiritual inheritance, a bond that proved bloodlines carry not just names but powers. But why did shapeshifting matter? In ancient Igbo society, shapeshifting wasn't fantasy, it was service. Those who carried the gift used it to protect village, heal the sick, or commune with the natural and spirit world. It was a reminder that man is never fully separate from nature. To become an animal was not to abandon humanity, but to embrace the deeper truth that life flows in all things. Today, we might not transform into animals, but we must still be drawn to them. Which animal calls to you? The wisdom of the eagle, the patience of the python, the loyalty of the dog. Our ancestors believed that by aligning with the energies of an animal, one could inherit its lessons. And maybe that's the hidden purpose of therianthropy. Not just transformation of body, but transformation of spirit. So let me ask you, if you could embody the spirit of an animal to guide your journey, which animal would you want to transform into? Tell me in the comments. Outside storytelling, we supply granite chippings used for construction. Do well to contact the number displayed on the screen to place your order.